Oh, sorry. I miss. So my kid told me, nah, I'll help you clean up. I'll take care of that, mom. You take care of the food. And he said he's done, and this is how he clean up. Yeah. Niligpit nga naman niya yung mga lights and put it in their boxes. Yan, naka-fold. Pero, yan na. Don't worry, girls. Ititry natin yan ng matino at maayos na pagliligpit. Yung totoong maayos. Maganda naman ang kanyang saloobin at kalooban na tinulungan niya si maming magligpit. Pero, syempre kailangan yung maayos at yung kompleto. Pa-practicein natin yan. Al, I thought you gonna help me clean up. Is that clean?
Yes.
You didn't fold everything
Fold.
and put it away? Do you know where you're supposed to put them? Okay, let's help. So, may na-discover ako. Ang hirap tansyahin ng color green. Ang hirap ayusin. Ang hirap kunin ng tamang kulay ng green from kunin yung tamang ang hirap. Magpipicture tayo ulit. Yung pinicture lang ko kahapon, nanilaw lahat. Hindi ko mapantay yung kulay ng green. Pag binalanse mo yung kulay ng yellow, green, at blue sa Lightroom, mahirap na siya ng yun pa lang. Tingin ko talaga nagkamali ako sa settings ng camera. Ginamit ko kasi yung phone ko eh. Usually kasi pag nagsushoot ko, titingnan ko sa camera kung tama na ba yung white ko. Eh, chinek ko siya sa phone. So, hindi ko na-check doon sa monitor ng camera kung tama yung kulay. Sa phone lang ako bumase. Hindi maganda yung shot ko. Hay, quality naman siya. Aray ko, pasta girl. Kaya hindi pa siya nagbumiyaw kasi gusto niya ng pagkain. Ito pa, sticker. So, sinubukan akong balansihin yung kulay. Hindi ko siya mabalansi yesterday. Tinulungan ako ni Popol kahapon na nakita niya yung notes ko. Pero since hindi alam ni Paul kung ano yung totoong kulay niya in person, medyo mahirap na balansihin. Gabi na. Nahiya na ako. Nahiya na ako ipa-edit. Kaya Popol. No? Kaya, magra-round 2 tayo ng picture. Tama ka? Pipicture lang kita ulit. Tatambay ka ulit sa may lighting. You let me kiss you! Sige, picture ka. Kasi you let me kiss. Let's go. For yung gamit ko na background, na backdrop, kasi, ewan ko, nagtry ako ng plain na backdrop. Bumili ako nung ganun. Hindi ko nagustuhan ko anong itsura. Siguro gusto ko yung medyo may texture sa likod. Tsaka at the same time kasi, yung product namin most of the time is made out of fur. So, siguro ano na rin, shows a little bit of background na sa kung ano yung mga materials na ginagamit namin sa shop. So, sino yun? Si Twinkle. Twinkle ito, nga. Siguro narinig ni Twinkle na binigyan ko ng snack si Pasta Girl. Nagkakasnack naman siya sa baba pag binibigyan siya ni na Ate Kani. So, yan na yung backdrop. Kita niyo ba? Cause I'm gonna say fallen. So, ang unang aasikasuhin ay ito. Kailangan ko na talagang bumili ng bagong stand nito. Dahil, una, hindi na siya naglalak. Lalaglag na siya and tanggal na. Yan na. Ayan na naman siya. Ano, kukuha na naman kita ng picture. Ayan na. Sumingit na sa likod na naman. Oh, paano naman ako makakapag-shoot ng maayos niya? Ang kapasta girl. Papapapasta girl. Ano yan? Bakit? Kailangan mag-shoot ni mama. Hindi ikaw pwede dyan. Go down. Go down. Come on, love. Ano talaga itong pusang to? Kung kain... Ay! Ay! Kulit?
안녕하세요. 마법입니다.
Ka, Twinkle, ito si Habuli ka. Mga si Pasta Girl. Walang ginagawa sa'yo si Pasta Girl. Pinapasok ka dito ni Pasta Girl ng maayos. Tapos ikaw nang aaway ka na lang. Ba't nang aaway ka ba? Ay mo maging friends ni Pasta Girl? Huwag mga away, Twinkle Little See. I'll brush you a little bit. Kaya hindi na natatapos si Mami eh. You need a brushing. If you go in my room, you need a brushing. That is my Twinkle Little See. Do I have shiny hair? Twinkle Little See, baby. Heart is glowing, it's glowing, cause we're... Yeah, babe na dyan. Hindi, mag-brush tayo ulit. Hindi na ako natapos sa gawain ko. Your happiness, that's dirty word. Don't bite me. Why are you biting me? Not doing anything to you. Right, Papa Bashi, girl? No biting. Wala akong weights para dito sa... Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Ginagamit ko na lang yung speaker ko. Or ba? Di balance siya. Tanga. Dapat binuksan ko muna para ito. Putik. Iya. Ayan. Work it. Actually, hindi talaga ako marunong gumamit nito. Hindi ko nga alam kung tama ba yung mga lighting na pinagkagagawa ko. Pero, it works. So, guess okay lang siya. Ow, no. I'm just fixing the camera. I'm not playing with you. Orange brain.
Voiceovers and branded.
Round 2. By now, I was gonna let. And it's only because of you. Oh, I've had them moving. Maybe we just weren't right. How about a round of applause? Trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry, please. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. Before you know, so why don't we? I wasn't even going out tonight. I was so much younger yesterday. Thought I'd have overshine, but it wasn't a match. I'm officially missing you. I don't wanna go another day. Dahan-dahan sa bukas ng pinto, ha? I have to redo it again, love. Kasi I made a mistake yesterday on the color grading of the camera. Now I have to do it again. Well, it's my time. So,
Why do we like that music?
hey.
Whoa!
Thank you that you're there. Give me. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. With you, with you.
This fall. I think you shouldn't make that mistake. I'm reading
What? And I see you, boo.